Everywhere here. So big. Okay. That one is just the root hanging in there. Oh, another version of it. You get my diagram? Wow. Really, I'm not sure what could be this now. Yeah, that's it on that tree. More over there. I zoom in. Honestly guys, they are really huge. Even in just so far and zooming in, it's so huge tree. Like first time I ever see this one ever. So huge, and I'm so happy that they don't kill it. Beautiful. It's nice. And there's a road here coming here, the ranger car. This one is smaller. Wow. Alright guys, subscribe and you see what you see about this tree, please. We are here in Australia guys, alright? And it looked really ancient here for me. Thank you for showing yourself to me today. Or you're always there. Glad I came here. Okay. Thank you. Look at that beautiful sunshine in the corner. Oh my, that sunshine, it took in my eyes. Wow. Wow, the sunshine over there guys. Did you see? Whoa, pillar of light. Awesome. Wow. See that? Wow. That's really big bonus for this. Cheers. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Ciao. Finally guys, from Australia. Cheers. Back.